Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file. I don't really know what it's for, but it's kind of cute. But the letters are skewed in toward each other, and they made it look like eyeballs. And I'm not sure of the font they used, but I'm going to use just Arial. See how close we can get. And the best way to do this would be to make your, I've got this locked. I'm going to turn my text to yellow and make it a little bit smaller, because I don't know what angle they use to skew them in, and there's several ways to do this. We're going to make it a little bit bigger, and I'm not going to, for the video, I'm going to call that good enough. So that is a text. So go Control K and it'll break it apart. Then you can grab these two first letters, click again on that X, and bring that in. That's pretty close to the original. I've got this all locked so I can't grab it. So we're gonna grab both those and hit the center X and skew that in. That's pretty close, and I think the font is actually pretty much dead on. So let's select all this, move it down, turn it back to black. And actually, I see that they have a space between there. And so it's not exactly, we've still got these separated, so we could tweak a little bit more. Whenever you see something like that jump, just back up and start over. And we'll tweak this a little bit more. All I'm doing is skewing the text. So when you double click on that line, and for the video, we're gonna call that good. And then we need to make the eyeballs, and to me, the eyeballs are just little circles, and we'll kind of copy that, about that size, and put them about where they are. Control D and make a duplicate. Put them about where they are. And then smart fill those two spots. My eyeballs are a little bit bigger. Let's back up. Let's change our nudge distance to something pretty low, 0.001. Let's zoom in here, and let's nudge these down just a little bit. And if you ever find that your nudge is just going too slow, you can always hit the shift key, and it will make it go a little faster. Maybe just a little bit more. I'm holding down the shift. And then just smart fill these. And then I would see that we're even going past that line, but the smart fill didn't help us. So now I'm going to left click, no outline. That's pretty close. Unless it has to be identical. I think the text is even the same. At first I didn't think the O's were more oval or more rounded, but when you skew them, so skewing, you can skew any text. Let's just go to that. You don't have to break it apart. If it doesn't have italics, if it's a text, so we've done this before, but if you want to go a little bit more, you can skew it like that. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.